This stylish aluminum round head gasket brings professional-grade durability to your air compressor projects with its precise engineering and sleek metallic finish. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, these washers provide excellent heat resistance and a perfect seal every time, making them ideal for mechanics, DIY enthusiasts, and industrial applications. Their lightweight design ensures easy installation, while the corrosion-resistant material guarantees long-lasting performance, even under high-pressure conditions. Scan the QR code in the upper right corner to explore pricing and delivery options for this essential compressor upgrade. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert tool reviews and workshop solutions. Key specifications include 79mm diameter, 50.5mm inner dimension, and 19mm spacing between holes, with 6.5mm mounting points.